We are going to see how the SMS template feature on the web version of My Sales Dialer work. The SMS template feature is also there in the mobile app version as well, and especially in Android, where you can do the bulk SMS using your Android app. But here we are going to talk about the message template. So I'm in the CRM page. You're logged in as an agent, and you go to my message template. So you can go from here, or you can click here and go to my message template. So we go here, and we are gonna select here SMS template. And the good thing about the SMS template is you can personalize your SMS and send a message to your prospect. So here I will just say touch base new, and here I will say like hi, and you can choose the personalization. Hi, first name, hope you are doing well, thought of touch basing with you on our product or service. Whatever you want to say, you can just mention here. Regards. You can put your phone number also, whatever. Okay, and you click save. All right. So once you save on the SMS template, you have created a new template. You can always edit it. There are previous templates which are created. So now we will go and see how it works in action. Right. So you go back to CRM and you go to my contacts. I mean, you can go to other folders, contacts, clients, leads, prospects. So I'm just going to go to contact. I'm doing prospecting as of now, and I would be sending SMS. Now keep in mind that this SMS goes from our server. It's a part of your subscription. You get 500 free SMS to send as a part of your subscription, so you should definitely utilize it. So here, for example, the first the first contact which is there, and you should have the mobile number already defined. Okay, if you don't have the mobile number, of course it will not let you send, or you can go to any particular one. So let's say I want to go to this person and send an SMS. So I click here SMS, and then I will select the template that I've created. So it automatically personalizes it with the first name because we did use the template, and you click send. Once you say send, it automatically sends the message. Okay, all right. So that is how that feature is. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You can utilize the SMS, personalizing SMS and sending while you are doing your prospecting. Thank you.